Hi there, Emmanuel here from empowermentteam.org, and today I've got an absolute deal for you. Yeah, I'm going to show you how you can actually come and trade with us and learn with us, with our team, with the ATH, and do that and actually get a free holiday thrown in as well. Yeah, I'm going to explain that in a second. I'm going to break it down completely. And initially I want to offer you as well, and if you're interested in that, I'll tell you how to do that in a second. I want to offer you a free week of trading with us. Yes, you're going to trade with 5, 6, 7-figure earners, and we're going to show you the two simple patterns that we look for on the charts that we use to do so well on the charts with. Yeah, and I'm going to show you how you can do that, how you can come and get access to that completely for free for the next week. I'll show you how to do that in a second. Right, so here's the proposal, and we're so lucky that we have a team that allows us to offer this, and we're doing this at such a reduced price. And I'm going to go into that in a second, but you know, no fake scarcity here, but this is the lowest price you're ever going to get this. You know? And so if I was you and trading was your thing and you want to learn traders from top earners, then you know, I would take action here. I would take action quickly. So this is what you get if you come and trade with us. Like, I'm going to give you the free week of training, but if you decide I really like these guys and I want to stay on, I want to show you what you get and then how you can, like I'm saying, do that and still get a free holiday thrown in. Right. So this is what you get for next week. Yeah, you're going to get all of this. You're going to get all these. We get on these lives every day, Monday to Friday, you know, every day, and they're on for an hour and a half, and the leaders explain the strategies, the two simple patterns, where we trade, the charts we're looking at, all that sort of stuff, even trade ideas sometimes. And you can ask as many questions as you want, and they stay on there. They answer everybody's questions, make sure everybody understands this strategy, this system. As well as that, we also have a Discord channel, which it actually tells you the pairs you should be looking at that are setting up with our strategy. And you get all of this included. You get this thrown in as well. We also have a wins channel here where people come on here and they actually just put their wins just to show you that this strategy is working. You know, this person got a 1 to 5 today. This is just today. A 1 to 3, a 1 to 3, a 1 to 7, and they also give you an indicator which they're calling the ATH, and you get to use that indicator which actually helps you with your trading to make sure you found the right areas. Yeah, you get all of that thrown in. So this is the deal. This is what I'm proposing, and this is what they're allowing us to do, luckily, because of the team I trade with. So you would join the Forex package from the IM Academy. And that's why I'm saying to you join that first, because then you get to, if you're a newbie, you get to learn from this Forex series. So it breaks everything down. Yeah, for a beginner, so your foundation is strong, which is what we need before we get into any, you know, like complicated stuff, trends and all this sort of stuff that's a bit more complicated. So this series here teaches you what is Forex, history of Forex, what is traded in the Forex, when to trade, what is a pip. So you know, it's starting you right from the beginning. Yes, if you're a beginner, it's starting you right from the start, so you know exactly what this thing is about. But then after the first month, really you don't need any of the beginner stuff now. So what we're proposing now, or what I'm proposing, is that you now move over to this package that they're calling the TLX. This is their travel package. So even though you're in the travel package, we are still giving you access to everything we do. So you'll still get access to recordings. You'll still get access to our training. The training that breaks down our strategy. It breaks down everything in our strategy here. So it shows you everything here. You know, complete walkthrough, how to mark up charts, the banker's candle, break of structure, trend, Fibonacci's down there as well, engulfing candle. So all the components of how we trade. You'll get the training, you'll get markup examples as well, where the leader goes through and breaks all of this stuff down, breaks down exactly what we're looking for and shows you on the charts and shows you how we would trade. So you get access to all of that as well. This is taking a while to load. You get access to all of that as well. And then, as well as that, you'll still be getting access to the recording. So these are the markup examples. Shows you what is a banker's candle, which is only looking for banker's candle, and it shows you. He goes through them himself and shows you how he would look for them. Yeah, that's the leader. Yeah, this is the person who's been trading for 15 years, giving you examples. And then you still get access to this every single day. So you get everything that we offer. You don't lose nothing of that. And you would normally be just paying just for the education. You would normally just be paying for the Forex education. But now with the TLX, you're going to get this travel portal. So you've been able to get cheaper travel, and you're going to get something they call the anniversary holiday, where at the end of the 12 months, if you stay for 12 months, at the end of 12 months, you're going to get a free holiday thrown in. So imagine you were just saving up for a holiday next year. You'd probably be putting like, I don't know, $200 aside every month if you wanted to stay in a 4- or 5-star hotel, resort or a hotel, all inclusive, drinks, food included, taxes included. You would need to put that sort of money aside, especially if it's places like decent places like in Mexico, Las Vegas, you know, all around the world. And I'll show you now. Let me take you through this, and then I hope you get it. I hope you get what I'm trying to say here, how you can get this holiday for free and get this year's worth of education with us in Forex as well. So you're almost going to have a double skill here. You're going to have the chance to be a trader and earn from trading, as long as you take advantage of this, as long as you plug in and you do as we say. Obviously, I'm not guaranteeing anything here, but most people, if they do what we say and they follow what we say and they come on the lives, they start to get this within 3 to 6 months. Yes, so not only are you going to have the chance, the ability to make money from trading, you're also going to get a holiday thrown in as well, and a way to get cheaper travel. So let's go through this. I just want to go through this and show you, so where are we here? So TLX, what is it? TLX is an exclusive membership for travel and lifestyle discounts, events, and benefits. This is what's included. You discount travel up to 60% off the best online hotel rates. So this ain't crappy places and crappy savings. TLX group trips, TLX anytime trips, access to TLX impact trips and events, TLX experience, anniversary TLX trips that get better every year. Yep, we've got the TLX travel and booking site. So once you've joined, you get a booking site. So you can come on here and look for cheaper travel. And one of the leaders, they had an event recently in Glendale. Using the TLX portal, he saved the rates for him and his wife. He saved over $300. So that would have been the price of the month plus, in one holiday you saved. Yeah, you log in, you enjoy the savings. You access to over 800,000 hotels and resorts around the world at 60% off. Enjoy savings on hotels, resorts, villas, condos, car rentals, cruises, and more. So this is just giving you some examples. Amsterdam, New York. They have the group trips. This is where you can actually come and use their cheaper travel here and learn stuff as well. So here they have Crypto Beach in Dominican Republic. 4 days, 3 nights, all inclusive discounts on tours and excursions. And you're getting that for $549 per person. That's a 4- or 5-star hotel, resort, for all inclusive as well. That's the bit you got to, in the Dominican Republic. Just go and look that up, how much that would cost. Nowhere near this price. Yeah. This is up. It's again 40% off. Stocks on the strip. This is where this person here, she's really, really well known for in the SFX package for stocks. And 4 days, 3 nights in Vegas in December. And you also get access to some VIP like nightclubs as well. Palms Casino and the resorts, $299 per person. Yeah, it's amazing. All right, so here they're just going through something else. Anytime trips where you can take them at any time. Top destinations around the world, 4 to 5-star properties, as low as $89 per person per night. Anytime Paradisus La Perla. This is just some of the bookings. And then the TLX experiences. You also get this, yachts, private jets, excursions at cheaper prices. Normally $1,500 per day. TLX price is $800. So, why not just do an excursion and jump in a Lamborghini for something like half of the price? It's amazing here. If you want to rent a villa or a hotel, or a mansion here, normally $1,000 per day. You're getting it at $500 per day. Look at this. Look at this mansion here. Get that $500 per day. Other people are paying double that price. So not only are you getting all these savings, if you fancy a yacht as well, you can get Yacht Life. Some people are on the waiting list for this for years, and they pay $250 just to be on the waiting list, and you're getting it at almost half of the price. Impact trips, custom trips planned, and this is what I'm talking about, the anniversary trips. So same amount of money you would be paying for just the education FRX package. It's the same amount, but now if you just get the TLX, imagine you just got the TLX and you've done nothing with it. You didn't take any of the other, all those savings you could make. You decided you didn't want to use the portal. You didn't want to book any holidays at all. You just stayed in the package for 1 year. At the end of the year, you get the free holiday. This is what I meant by if you just come and trade with us for the year, and we get you into this package, at the end of it, you're getting a free anniversary holiday. The first year is to Mexico or Ibiza. And they're saying it's going to be equivalent to $2,000 to $3,000. So equivalent to the money you've been paying for the year. You'll get a holiday thrown in. It's like a holiday package, or it's like you're putting savings away for this holiday. And at the end of the year, you'll get a holiday, and not just a crappy holiday. These are 4 5-star holiday, 4 5-star resorts with all-inclusive drinks, food, taxes, all included. You know, and not only that, you'll get the education for the full year. You're getting everything we do. Everything we do is you're going to be educated on that. And at the end of the year, you'll get a holiday thrown in as well. I mean, for me, it's a no-brainer. I mean, it's like, rather than just pay for the education, I'm paying for the education. I'm also getting the access to this portal so I can get cheap holidays through the year. And at the end of the year, I can sit back and just say, well done. I've stayed the year. Now I've got a free holiday that I can sit and enjoy. Year 1 is Mexico, Ibiza. Year 2 is Miami. Year 3 is Costa Rica. And imagine here, if you stay to year 10, a destination of your choice anywhere in the world. I mean, this is a no-brainer. Imagine you just take your laptop, sit in Mexico and think, not only am I making money here from my trading, I'm also here for free almost. Do you know what I mean? I'm sat here and I'm just chilling out and enjoying life. I mean, I think it's great, but okay, examples of the type of anniversary holidays. Look at these places. These aren't crappy little 1-star hotels that you go, look, this is a 5-star resort here. It's really, really nice. It's not rubbish. And what I'm going to do, the next video, I'm actually going to open the portal and show you. I'll show you some of the holidays and some of the savings. We'll do a comparison. So, of things like booking.com. So you're saving on those sorts of things, and the prices they're giving you. And here's the price they're offering now. But like I said, for the next 2 weeks, and this isn't fake scarcity, the leaders have given us the biggest discount we're ever going to be allowed to offer. For the next 2 weeks, you can get it cheaper than this. The biggest discount. If you're interested, contact me. Give me a message, direct message me, somehow get in contact with me and find out the amount of savings you're going to make. You're going to be surprised at this because it is amazing. But this is not fake scarcity. 2 weeks, that's it. After that, we can't offer it. You know, unfortunately, there was a person that came to me Friday before we had a promotion, and the day they stopped that promotion, that's it. After that, you have to pay the normal price. It's still worth it at this price. It's still worth it at this price. But if you want to get it even cheaper, then contact me. But anyway, initially you're going to be paying $185, and then it's $174.95. Like I said, if you were putting money away for a 4 5-star holiday in Mexico, you'd probably be putting more than this away. Do you know? Because it's going to cost more than that if you go away to a decent place with all inclusive. It's going to cost more than this if you're putting it away, and then you're getting all the education as well of Forex. So that's the offer. That's the package. I'm really excited about this, and I hope you are too. You know, so if you're interested in this, if you're interested in coming and training with us initially, I'll give you the free week. Come and have a look at what we do. Come and see if this is even for you. Come and train with us for a week for free. Come and see how we look for those 2 simple patterns on the charts, how we do so well, why so many people are doing so well with this group. We've got close to 5,000 people in this group. Come and have a look at that for free. If you're interested in that, then what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave a link below this video. It'll be just below this. Just click on that, and then you'll get all the details for next week's training. It starts Monday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 5 p.m. GMT. And it goes on, like I said, Monday all the way through to Friday. Ask as many questions as you want. And then if you like it and we get you on board, then I'm going to work this package out for you where we start you on the FRX and we get you over to the TLX, and you'll have a free anniversary holiday, as well as you'll have this portal open to you to get even cheaper holidays. So excellent deal in my opinion. But yeah, if that's something that's going to be of interest to you, links will be below. If you have any comments at all, any questions, please don't hesitate. Just leave it in the comments box below. And I hope you're as excited as I am about this. All right, then, until next time, you have a great day. Also, if you did enjoy this, please give it a thumbs up and share it around with anyone else you think might get value from this and might enjoy it as well. All right, till next time, you have a great day. I'll speak to you soon. All the best. Take care.